Good morning, students. I am Raman Gupta from Government College Bara. In the last video, we were doing the essay on getting off to sleep, and in this video, we are continuing the same. The next point is straightening the picture. For the remedy of the certain ailments, the author discusses one of his friends. She, with one of her determined tone, suggests to the author that getting asleep whenever it is required is an easy task. One should perform some trivial action over and over again until one's mind becoming disgusted with the monotony of life. She would exercise to hang a picture upon the wall and then proceed to straighten it in imagination. This was the way that helped her to fall into sleep, but the writer could avail nothing from that particular device because imagination depends upon one's own concentration. So they keep on flowing from one point to another. It also happens with the author, instead of straightening the picture, he begins to think about the glory of the picture, and then he reminds other affairs like exhibition and so on. The next point is Lamb's suggestion. Charles Lamb suggested something to the author. Suffering from insomnia, it is the writer who has tried many devices, known or unknown, but he has not succeeded so far. At last, the author finds an opportunity to read Lamb's letters. When he got opportunity to read letters, he read those letters, in which he wrote to his friend Saudi. But there is a man in my office. What did he wrote? I'm just quoting the lines. But there is a man in my office, Mr. H, who prowls it away from morning to night and never gets beyond corporal and material varieties. When I cannot sleep o nights, I imagine a dialogue with Mr. H upon a given subject and go prosing on in fancy with him till I either laugh or fall asleep. So these were the lines which he wrote. The last point which we can discuss in this essay is the remedy of insomnia. The problem we have discussed earlier in the points in the beginning, in the many points we have discussed the problem, and now the turn is for the remedy. The essayist here in the lesson tells us that the remedy of this ailment or disease, insomnia, can be cured through apt and appropriate device suggested by Charles Lamb, and that is to converse with someone of the most bore friends. The very device is full of promise, and the author has successfully tried it. It works like a dose of poppy or charm. We can ignore other kind of devices which are partly successful and partly failure. Through these lines, the essayist mocks on the follies of his own friends, who are wise in words and bored in spirits. So, the best way, the solution suggested by Lamb to the author for this problem of insomnia is to talk with a bored person, one who bores others. And by talking with that kind of person, one can get sleep very easily. This is the best way to get sleep. So, this was all about this essay on getting off to sleep, written by J.B. Priestley. Students, I hope this essay is clear to you all. If you find any problem, you can tell me separately through messages on WhatsApp groups, and I'll tell you what can be done. I hope these videos will benefit you. Thank you and have a nice day.